up, guys? As you can see, there's my motorcycle. It's been hiding for 3 months now because of the winter. I guess today is the start of my riding season. Today's the start of the MOTOVLOG. So today, I got the invitations in my back. I'm gonna hand them out. Save the dates, I mean. Gonna hand it out to the people I'm going to see today. Abby's not with me today. I gotta make some moves. I'm off today. I got class later, so I gotta do this before class at 5. I got the GoPros on. Well, this is my first motovlog, so please don't judge. First up, we're heading to my work. Gonna hand out the invitations there. Then I'm gonna meet up with the homies. Gonna give the homies save the dates card out. Nice outside, man. It's 61 degrees. I'm wearing like 4 layers, so I'm hot. I'm wearing my mesh jacket though. I forgot my gloves. Oh, good. So let's go. So this is gonna be a 30-minute ride. This is kind of awkward talking to a camera. I don't really do this without Abby, so it's kind of weird for me. It's so nice. It's so good to be back on the bike. Woo! Let me tell you guys about my bike. I've been riding sports bike. This is my third Harley Davidson. I'm into sports bike back then, but fiance and father-in-law changed me. They're into Harley, so gotta ditch that super bike life and get a cruiser. I mean, this NIGHTROD is like a sports bike basically. It's not like one of those cruiser type. I mean, you're sitting up straight, but I don't know. I think this is a kind of sports bike. I gotta get gas real quick. I don't have gas. I don't want to get stranded on the first day. Oh crap. I forgot Wawa doesn't have 93. 92 would do for now. I'm just putting a little bit. Don't judge. That GoPro is freaking me out. It's like an antenna in the front. Let me just fill up real quick. Crap. So if you guys don't know, the gas tank is under the seat. So this is where you fill up gas. You gotta let some pressure out first. There's pressure in there. Just gotta put a little bit, get me through today. Then I'll fill up 93. So I got this bike winterized, took out all the fluids, and I just finished up replacing all the fluids. When I work on things, I kind of don't like recording it because I'm trying to get things done, and recording it seems like it's gonna take forever to get things done. All right, that's enough. $10. Been sitting, no gas. I took out all the gas. Well, there you go. Crap. I kind of have like a little cold, so I'm kind of talking weird. Let's start her up. I always reset my trip just to see how much I get. Luckily for this bike, it'll tell you how much miles you got left before empty. Alright, let's go. We're heading to Springfield. And give out our save the dates to my co-workers. I kind of feel bad not inviting everyone. I'm only inviting the managers, people I'm close to. I mean, I wish I could invite everyone, but we're going to have an open bar. So some people just can't take alcohol. And, we're liable for everyone in there, so if someone messes up, acts the fool, then that's gonna go on us. But our wedding is all about enjoying it, having fun. We only get married once, and I want my fiance to have the best day of her life, enjoy her day. I don't want any problems. So, I mean, I'm sorry people who didn't get an invite. I mean, maybe because, you know, our limit was only 170 or if you can't handle alcohol right, or if you guys just don't know how to act. I mean, sorry, I can't invite y'all. But for those who did get invited, we're looking forward to seeing you guys there. We're really excited to share this moment with you guys. So, I can't wait. I'm actually excited, man. I'm excited to get married to Abby. I mean, we've been going out since high school. You know, we're high school sweethearts, and I love it. I love her. She's stubborn, so I think that's what I like. Stubborn girls. Well, I mean, just her, because I always like, I don't know, put her in check. Like, hey, look, that's not what we're gonna do, all right? We're gonna do this, all right? You know, but hopefully she don't see this vlog, but I know she's gonna watch it. But she's gonna whoop my ass. So yeah, nice weather, guys. I don't know what to talk about. Like I said, this is my first motovlog. This is the first time I'm talking to a camera. Or talking to my mic. It looks like it's about to rain. Oh wait, I got tinted visors. Ha! So good to be out here, man, on a bike. Let's see how many people are out today. Oh, I'm also meeting up with my boy, Andrew. He has a DX6, and it's a track-ready bike. GP shifter and everything. Gonna meet up with him. He's been dying to ride too. Like everyone. Woo! Feels so good. I love twisties, man. I love ramps. I love dragging knee, man. I mean, not on this, but, you know, on my past sports bike. Knees, man, knees. So my parents watches my videos on YouTube. They're really not for motorcycles. They think it's dangerous. I mean, they are dangerous, but you gotta live life. I love motorsports. I love cars. I love anything that runs. Snowboarding. I like mountain biking. I like doing jumps. Something that gets your heart pumping. Some manly stuff, you know, finally manly stuff in the vlogs. Here we are. What? It's not a moped. I just finished up handing out the save the dates to my coworkers. I'm now heading back to Woodbridge to meet up with some of the homies. Ooh, look at that Jeep. I want a four-door Jeep. I want a four-door Jeep. I want a Ford Raptor. I want a dream car, a GTR. Hopefully this year, hopefully. Working hard to get it. But hopefully this year before the wedding, before H2O this year. So if you guys don't know what H2O is, it's basically a weekend full of boys. I mean, it's a big car meet basically, and everyone all over the United States meet up at Ocean City, Maryland, and they stay for a week or so to have fun, meet up with other car people, drink. It's always Abby's birthday on H2O weekend, so, and it actually falls on her birthday. We'll definitely have a big celebration. It's also 2 weeks after the wedding, so that's crazy. You know, we're gonna have the wedding, we're gonna have a whole weekend at Harrisonburg for the wedding, and then 2 weeks later we're gonna go to Ocean City, Maryland to turn up. Like I said, hopefully, man, I get the GTR, so you know, I'm gonna have Abby drive GTR down to H2O, and I'm gonna ride the bikes with the homies. You know, everyone has a bike. Last year we rode there. I mean, it was fun. It was the first time everyone had a bike, so it was a good experience for everyone. Now we had 2 more people who joined the bike life. We didn't book the house yet. We're gonna book the house this Friday. We didn't get to book the mansion. Our 3rd year going to H2O, we had this big mansion. You know, you can fit 20 cars in the driveway. You have 3 garages. You have your own pool, own hot tub, and it's a big house.
A few moments later.
That was a good ride. Ah, this is what I hate when this thing flaps out, man. What the f? I don't know how they drive on here. Yeah, man, I just got this. What's good, man? That's for you, dog. Hey, there he is. I was like, dang, where's your bike? I know, man. I'm hot. I'm wearing like 3 layers. I thought it was, yeah. Nah, I'm hot. I'm about to take off my jacket. Oh, here's a, yeah. That's not the invitations yet. That's just save the dates. What'd you say? Yeah, I got the GoPro and everything. Oh, for real? I got class of 5. Yeah. Yo.
Hey. Yeah, where's the professor?
Yeah, his bike's not done.
Oh shit, that's right.
Hey, so my GoPro is recording what you say.
Alright. Let's get it. Shit, I haven't rode in a minute.
Damn.
When's the last time you rode?
Today? Yeah, I just put all the stuff back on, like the fluids and stuff.
Yeah? Alright, let me get my mirrors straight.
Alright.
It's all about the mirrors, baby. Hold up. Alright.
It's like learning how to ride again.
Hey, where are we going?
I don't know. I don't care.
I guess we could go Parkway.
Alright.
That's always the go-to. Let me get these shits fixed, man. Hold up. Can't see shit. Alright. Oh, motherfucker.
Oh, I caught that on camera. Dang, and it's about to rain tomorrow. And it's about to get cold again.
Hell yeah. After this one. Oh, no, after this one. Oh, wait, let's go to Sheets. I need gas.
Alright. You've been warming up your bike though, right?
Yeah, I've been starting it every now and then, so it doesn't fuck up on the battery.
Yeah.
Like, I started it last week. Damn, it's been a minute.
I know.